Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the best drones you can buy right now. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research, and I've listed them based on video quality, features, performance, and price. I've included options for every type of consumer, so whether you're looking for a beginner-level drone or a more advanced model, we'll have the product for you. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The fifth product on our list is the Eachine E52 Max. This is our best cheap drone. Eachine's latest drone, the E52 Max, is one of the rare, lower-priced drones on the market to offer 4K video. The size and build, as well as most of the feature set, are very similar to the DJI Mavic Air, except it's priced at about a quarter of the Mavic Air. Considering that the Mavic Air doesn't even have 4K video, this makes the E52 Max even more appealing. It's easy to see why beginners and novice flyers are thrilled about it. If you've been interested in drones but hesitated to try because you thought it might be too complicated, you're going to love how simple it actually is. The E52 Max has a very short learning curve, so you'll be able to start flying like a seasoned flyer in no time. It also comes with some great preset flight modes. Just select one and you'll be shooting amazing 4K footage on your first flight. You can have the drone track your movements or fly 360 degrees around you while it takes aerial selfies of you. You can even touch points on the remote control screen and set a flight path for the E52 Max to automatically follow while it shoots breathtaking shots with its wide-angle lens. It's that easy. Plus, the E52 Max can live stream the video from your drone from up to 270 yards away. The E52 Max is surprisingly well built, and you'll find the performance extremely solid and stable, even during windy conditions. The features are wide angle, incredible 120-degree field of view to capture the full landscape, 6-axis gyroscope, reduces shakes for smooth video recordings. The pros are 4K video, record 4K video with amazing details and clarity. Portability, smaller than an iPad mini when folded down, so it's easy to pack and take with you. Battery, the 1200 mAh battery gives you up to 15 minutes of flight time, longer than most other drones in its price range. And for the cons, no gimbal. There's no gimbal, but the drone has a 6-axis gyroscope that stabilizes the flight to minimize shakes. If you're eager to test out drones, you'll be more than surprised by the performance, build, and video quality of the Eachine E52 Max. It's perfect for beginners and novices looking for a 4K drone that's wallet-friendly and won't break the bank. The fourth product on our list is the DJI Mavic Mini. This is our best mini drone. Being small can be a big advantage when it comes to drones because you don't have to register it with the FAA. So whether you're a beginner ready to venture into the world of drones or a seasoned flyer looking for a compact drone with amazing features, the DJI Mavic Mini is a great option, and it's currently priced at $400. There's a lot that's packed into the Mavic Mini despite it being so lightweight and compact. Beginners can shoot some amazing footage right off the bat with the automated presets. The 2.7K video quality is great, and with the camera held by a 3-axis gimbal, you'll be thrilled at how smooth the footage is. The controller and the DJI Fly app works on both Android and iOS. It's not too heavy, and it feels good in your hands. You'll be able to see the live feed from the camera, even when the Mavic Mini is flying up to 2.5 miles from you. There are some nice safety features like the automated return to home, so your drone will fly back on its own to you before its battery runs out. Plus, if there happens to be an unplanned landing, the Find My Drone option will help you find and retrieve it. The features are great camera, shoots amazing 2.7K video and 12MP stills. Foldable design. It folds down so compact it'll fit in the palm of your hand. Just slip it into your backpack and take anywhere and everywhere. The pros are no FAA registration. It weighs just 249 grams, falling under the threshold for drone registration. Long-range communication. The Mavic Mini can communicate with the remote from up to 2.5 miles away. Flight time. Up to 30 minutes of flight time compared to just 5 to 10 minutes found on most beginner drones. And for the cons, no obstacle avoidance. With no obstacle avoidance sensor, beginners may initially struggle to avoid hitting obstacles. If you want a drone with obstacle avoidance, the Mavic 2 Pro coming up later in the video comes with an amazing omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system. DJI's Mavic Mini is the drone for everyone, with a 2.7K camera, long flight time, and plenty of features, making it a great choice for drone enthusiasts, novice flyers, and with the short learning curve, it's perfect for beginners. The third product on our list is the DJI Mavic Air. This is a best value per dollar drone. The DJI Mavic Air falls between the Mavic Mini and the Mavic 2 Pro. It's really the best of both worlds, including 4K video, making it perfect for beginners, novices, and hobbyists that want to take their flying to the next level but don't want to pay the premium price. And it's currently priced at $800. The Mavic Air really ups the ante with 4K video and a spherical panoramic camera. You also get a wide-angle lens that's even wider than the more expensive Mavic 2 Pro to capture gorgeous, sweeping landscapes. The performance is exceptional, and it has great handling even in strong winds. Similar to the Mavic Mini, it's very beginner-friendly, with several presets to help out to capture some great footage. If you're a beginner or novice flyer, you'll love the advanced pilot assistance system. It's a bit like flying on autopilot without worrying about collisions. Another great feature to help your video be epic is the drone's 3-axis mechanical gimbal that stabilizes your camera as it records, giving you amazingly smooth footage even in windy conditions. The features are omnidirectional sensors. It can detect potential collisions so the drone will either find a new path or stop and hover. Design. The foldable design makes it great for portability, just slightly bigger than an iPhone 11 Pro when folded. 3-axis gimbal. Recorded videos are incredibly smooth. The pros are 4K camera, records at 100 Mbps to capture every second with UHD quality. Wide-angle lens, even wider than the more expensive Mavic 2 Pro for incredible coverage. Storage, comes with 8 GB of built-in storage plus a micro SD card slot. Fly time, you'll get up to 21 minutes of fly time, much longer than most drones in its class. And for the cons, no screen on remote. The remote doesn't come with a built-in screen, and the live feed is displayed on the DJI Go 4 app. The Mavic Air is a feature-rich drone in a very portable package. With 4K video, obstacle avoidance, plus incredible features at an attractive price, it's perfect for those wanting to up their drone game but are not ready to make a heavy financial commitment. The Mavic Air gives the biggest bang for the buck. The second product on our list is the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. This is our best overall drone. The Mavic 2 Pro is DJI's premium flagship drone that's feature-packed for those serious about their aerial video and photography, or drone enthusiasts wanting one of the best prosumer drones available with all the bells and whistles, and it's currently priced at $1,500. The Mavic 2 Pro's 4K camera is beyond its class with the largest image sensor for any drone its size bracket, and it can capture footage that is crisper than other 4K drones. Unlike most drones in its class, the Mavic 2 Pro uses a 1-inch image sensor to deliver true color and brilliantly detailed images and captures 4K UHD footage at 100 Mbps. The Mavic 2 Pro features an omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system with sensors in every direction that stops the drone from proceeding if an obstacle is detected. Although the Mavic 2 Pro is larger than the Air, it is still extremely portable. Performance and handling are stellar, and the ample battery gives you up to 31 minutes of flight time. As with other DJI drones, the Mavic 2 Pro works with the DJI Go 4 app, giving you control over the drone's camera, and it shows its point of view at 1080p quality. The Mavic 2 Pro has a transmission range of up to 8,000 meters, which is double that of the Mavic Air. The features are omnidirectional sensors, can detect potential collisions so the drone will either find a new path or stop and hover. 3-axis gimbal. Recorded videos are incredibly smooth. Display. The remote controller features an LCD screen. Sport mode. Allows the drone to fly faster with a top flight speed of 44 miles per hour. The pros are 4K camera. Records 4K HDR10 video. Storage. Comes with 8 GB built-in storage plus a micro SD card slot. Fly time. Flies longer than most in its class, up to 21 minutes of flight time. And for the cons, small legs. With relatively small legs, takeoff and landing from uneven surfaces like grass or rocky terrain can make it trickier for less experienced flyers. The Mavic 2 Pro is intended for pros and advanced hobbyists who demand the best camera performance and flight safety and are willing to pay a premium price to get it. The first product on our list is the DJI Inspire 2. This is our best drone for professionals. The DJI Inspire 2 is the ultimate drone for filmmakers, journalists, and photographers, or the hobbyists that demand the highest standards, and it's currently priced at $1,500, camera not included. The Inspire 2 took everything that made the Inspire 1 great, including integrated HD video transmission system, 360-degree rotating gimbal, and a 4K camera, and improved on it with incredible software and hardware upgrades, new features, and more functions, opening new possibilities. Performance is premium as expected, the build is flawless, and the experience is awe-inspiring, capturing exceptional footage in 5.2K RAW format to retain incredible detail and clarity. The video processing engine is built right into the drone itself, freeing up options for different cameras depending on your shoot and filming requirements. The ability to use different lenses also opens up unlimited creative options. As a professional use drone, the Inspire 2 supports 2 remotes, one for the pilot and a second for the camera operator, although not necessary. It features a forward-facing first-person view camera and a variety of countermeasures as part of its obstacle avoidance system. The features are dual remote support. For complicated shoots, the drone supports dual remotes so that the pilot can use one to fly the drone while the other remote is controlled by the camera operator. Superior build. It's built rugged for extreme shooting conditions with carbon fiber material for the arms and magnesium aluminum composite for the body. Dual battery. The dual battery setup gives you over 25 minutes of flight time and is self-heating, allowing it to operate in temperatures as low as -4 degrees Fahrenheit. Spotlight Pro. Tracks moving objects with precise accuracy. The pros are formats. Supports RAW as well as other professional compression standards like Cinema DNG and Apple ProRes. Transmission. Transmission is solid up to half a mile. Flight speed. Can cruise up to 69 miles per hour on sport mode. And for the cons, short flight time. Even with the dual battery setup, you only get about 27 minutes of flight time, which is too short for many professional level shoots. For professionals and diehards alike demanding premium build and performance, the DJI Inspire 2 outperforms competitors in almost every regard, making it an easy choice if you're looking for the ultimate drone that money can buy. Alright guys, that's all for now. If you enjoyed this video, please go ahead and leave a like. If you're new to the channel and you like the video, consider subscribing. We do our best to keep you up to date with the best products on the market right now, so if you want to stay current regarding the best gear, make sure to hit that subscribe button. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most up-to-date pricing on all the products mentioned in this video. Hope you all have a great day, and we'll see you back here soon for the next video.